Come here. When Deva Bratt touch her rhythm,
She
crucial conflict. So watch out now, Deva Bratt. A licks. A hype. I hope I said did one in this. But anyway, like, comment, share, subscribe, yo. We're there. May that catch me. Anyway, we're there. So like, comment, share, subscribe. Deva Bratt drop a new song, so we are gonna listen to it. Now it is 3 minutes and 23 seconds. However, we have been getting warnings from YouTube about copyright claims. So that is the reason why I'm telling you guys I have to pause these videos 10 to 17 seconds, because even when we do the copyright claim appeal, some approve, some don't. So we just don't want to go through that little hectic thing there. So please bear with me. Alright? But like, comment, share, subscribe, of course.
She did it. She did it well. She got brain. She make it swell. Can you do it again?
Is this a diss song towards Lisa or what? Which one?
She give me.
Because Lisa had come out
Me feel.
and diss up Mooney and them man there.
The first night I picked her up on a bike, she said me shoulda drive because she want keep out of sight.
Come here.
So me
When Deva Bratt touch her rhythm,
she did
when it
it.
start,
She
yeah,
did
pull
it
it up.
well. She got brain. She make it swell. Can you do it again? She give me. She make me feel.
Like, comment, share, subscribe.
The first night I picked her up on a bike.
Remember, we have to pause the video every 10 to 15 seconds. Please forgive me. Let me know. I don't like chat enough neither. I love if me just listen to the song and just go to me answer at the end of the song. But unfortunately, this is how we have to do it, alright? But me love everybody will actually take the time out. So please, bear with me.
She said me shoulda drive because she want keep out of sight. Right, so me go book a room at Hilton for the night. She said no worry about the money cause she have the cat this way. Then she said, Deva, me I go take you on a flight. Me say yeah.
Deva Bratt body, you know. We can't wait to get my soundboard to start the song. Don't worry, it is ordered. This is coming.
Whatever, just do it like Nike. I balls forward. Soon as she grab the mic, cause she frisky with the tongue and her flows them tight. Me frightened, me nearly froth up like a spike. She put her mouth on the top and make the pressure.
You don't understand how talented Deva Bratt is? You don't know how talented... Me wonder if you don't comprehend how talented this man is, bro. Like, please, tell me you don't understand.
The pipe. No need for no whipped cream, nor no crush ice. Cheese, thank you for the picture, man. I go put it by my side. Everybody like.
The chorus, or whatever you want to call it, tough, yo, it's tough.
Feel. She make me feel. Hyper. She give me. Me like.
Remember to like, comment, share, subscribe. So far, I think the song is very well put together. Deva Bratt, you need to start make some videos, bro. Some visuals. We need that. Alright, bro? We need that. We need the visuals. Yeah. The song them bother everything, but the visuals is needed.
She make me feel. Alright, me park the bike and then drive out to RVR. With presidential thing, me know why you see me with her. She said the engine want fix it, I forgot tune if we go park.
Bumbuckler said the engine want fix. And if it's tune if we go par.
Far, she said pull off and pop the hood of me car. That's a good compressor, pressure regulator. Brand new battery and fuel injector. I'll spew in her face when me rev it in a star.
The metaphors is on point.
Name me no left it in a star. She name. She did it. She did it well. She got brain. She make it
Remember to like, comment, share, subscribe, please and thank you.
well. Can you do it again? She give me. She make me feel. Okay. The first night I picked her up on a bike, she said me shoulda drive.
Well, obviously, he repeat the song, but however, I think the song is a phenomenal song. I give the song would I say a 9.5? I'm going to take a 9.5 because we need some visuals, bro. Is it me? Yes, put out the song then, but we need visuals. The visuals are very important. However, metaphors, play on words, love it. Flow, love it as always. Everybody know that Deva Bratt have one of the sickest flow in the dancehall. Is it me? You cannot tell that from Deva Bratt. Deva Bratt flow is It's just undeniable, brother. You cannot say otherwise when it comes to Deva Bratt flow and him lyrics. Deva Bratt have that. I'm not gonna take that from Deva Bratt, you see me? And please, in the comment sections, not because you guys support one other artist, you don't give a next man them flowers or a next woman them flowers. You see me? So please, be courteous, okay? Be courteous and show love. But anyway, that's my view upon the song. I think the song bad. So like, comment, share, subscribe. I don't want to hold it up any longer because I'm tired to pause it. But obviously I'm going to repeat the rest of the verse. And we all already know the verse where I'm singing already. So please like, comment, share, subscribe, and we'll see you guys in the next one.